Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung HW-Q67CT 7.1 channel soundbar with acoustic beam and wireless rear kit. Before we jump into all the amazing features, make sure to check out the link below for the best price available today if you're thinking about getting your hands on this powerful sound system. Let's get started. The Samsung HW-Q67CT is an exceptional soundbar that takes home audio to the next level. With 7.1 channel surround sound, acoustic beam technology, and a wireless rear kit, this soundbar brings cinematic audio right into your living room. Key features: 7.1 channel surround sound. With 7.1 channel surround sound, this system envelops you in rich, detailed audio. It's designed to deliver true surround sound that fills the room, making you feel as though you're part of the action. Whether it's watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, you'll experience every sound in incredible detail. Acoustic beam technology. The acoustic beam technology offers directional sound that aligns with what's happening on screen. It creates a more immersive experience by projecting sound in a way that matches the action, enhancing the realism and depth of what you're watching. Wireless rear kit. The inclusion of a wireless rear kit takes your surround sound experience even further. With the wireless setup, you can place the rear speakers anywhere in the room for optimal audio coverage, without worrying about cables. This makes it easier to create the perfect soundstage in your space. Powerful sound performance. The Samsung HW-Q67CT is equipped with powerful audio capabilities, delivering deep bass, clear dialogue, and immersive sound effects. The soundbar is designed to enhance everything you watch, listen to, or play. Wireless subwoofer. The wireless subwoofer delivers deep, punchy bass that adds impact to your movies, music, and gaming. Plus, with the wireless design, you can place it anywhere in your room without the need for extra cables. One remote control. The soundbar comes with Samsung One remote control, which simplifies your setup and use. You can control the soundbar and your TV with a single remote, making it easier than ever to manage your home entertainment system. Performance. The Samsung HW-Q67CT truly shines with its 7.1 channel surround sound and acoustic beam technology. The addition of the wireless rear kit creates an even more immersive audio experience, making you feel as though you're right in the middle of the action. The sound is rich and dynamic, with every sound clearly defined from the powerful bass to the crisp highs. Whether you're watching a movie, playing games, or listening to music, the performance is outstanding. Sound quality. The sound quality is fantastic, thanks to the combination of 7.1 channel surround sound and acoustic beam technology. The rear speakers, powered by the wireless rear kit, add extra depth and clarity to the audio, enhancing the surround sound experience. The wireless subwoofer delivers a deep, impactful bass that adds a cinematic feel to your content. You'll experience full-range audio that's immersive and crisp across all genres. Easy setup. The wireless rear kit and wireless subwoofer make setup a breeze. You won't have to deal with complicated wiring, and the One remote control makes it easy to manage both the soundbar and your TV. The soundbar is designed to be user-friendly and quick to set up. Conclusion. The Samsung HW-Q67CT 7.1 channel soundbar with acoustic beam and wireless rear kit is an incredible option for anyone looking to elevate their home audio system. With 7.1 channel surround sound, acoustic beam technology, and the wireless rear kit, this soundbar creates a truly immersive listening experience. The wireless subwoofer provides powerful bass, and the whole system works seamlessly to bring cinematic sound into your home. Don't forget to click the link below for the best price and grab this amazing soundbar today.